Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how you can download Arduino software so you can connect it with your controller and send codes. So first we're going to go to Google and we're going to search up Arduino. So Arduino, we're going to go to the home website. Under software, go to downloads. So you can download any of your preferences. If you have Windows, download Windows. If you have Mac, you can download Mac or Linux. We're going to download the Windows 7. Just download. So now I have the application right here. We're going to open this. So before doing anything else, just go under Tools and under Board and select your board here. I have an Arduino Uno, so I have that selected. Next, go to Port and select your port. Here I'm choosing COM4. So I've downloaded this PDF that from the CD that I received with my Arduino kit. So first we're going to open the starter kit. So in this PDF you're going to get all the information about the materials that is contained in your Arduino kit. It tells it has brief information about everything. It also has step-by-step lessons with this. So we can look here on the code. There are also lessons over here. Let's check the first one. So here is the code written for the RGB LED. So we're going to use the USB cable to connect the Arduino with the laptop. So now we have two lights blinking here. The green light tells us that the Arduino has been connected, and our target is to make this L light, the one here by L, we're going to make that light blink. So you can see there's a TX and RX on the bottom over there. So we're going to make that yellow L LED light blink. We're going to open the Arduino IDE, and under Files, we have some examples here. We're doing basics and we're going to try blink. So they have a setup here and a loop here. We can try both. We're going to change the loop here. We're going to make it run. So before running this code, we want to change your port. Select anything that has an Arduino port written. In this case, we have COM6, so we're going to select that. So I'm going to upload the code again, and you can see that it starts blinking here. It's blinking again. We're going to change and do some little experiments with this. I'm going to decrease the number to 100 in my loop here and click on upload. See how much faster this got? Now let's make it, we can make it 10,000 and click upload again. So this changed because now this is going very slow, so you can't even see this blink. So we can change it back to 1000 and upload. And this was the speed that we originally started with. Thanks for watching.